What's up guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue where you can't invite your crossplay friends to your session in NBA 2K26. This problem has been happening to a lot of players lately where you try to send an invite but it just doesn't go through or your friend can't join. So I'll walk you through a few things that should fix it. First, go to your settings, then to users and accounts, head into privacy, then view and customize privacy settings and scroll all the way down. Make sure the option that allows crossplay invitations is turned on both for you and your friend. If that's off, you won't be able to send or receive invites properly. Next, head over to features, then go into settings and scroll to the very bottom. You'll see the crossplay option there. Make sure that's enabled for both of you. After that, press L1 and R1 on PlayStation or LB and RB on Xbox to open the social menu. Make sure your invites are turned on and tell your friend to check theirs too. Both of you need that enabled to send or receive game invites. If it's still not working, try closing the app and restarting both of your game and your console. That simple reset can sometimes fix temporary connection issues. You can also try joining through a mutual friend. If both of you are friends with someone else, join that friend session. Once you are both in the same park or city, you can invite each other from there. And the last method is through Squad Finder. Go to Park, then open the Squad Finder. You and your friend should select the exact same preferences like the same game mode or style, and then both click Find Squad at the same time. To increase your chances, try using less common settings like Fashy or other unique options that fewer people are using. This helps you match with your friends more easily. So yeah, if you can't invite or join your crossplay friends in NBA 2K26, try these steps. One of them should get you connected. Hope this helps you out. If it did, like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.